In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly use negative keywords on Google Ads in 2025. This essential strategy can significantly enhance your advertising campaigns by ensuring that your ads don't show up in irrelevant searches. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to Google Ads. If you're not already familiar with it, Google Ads is a platform that enables you to reach customers online with ads specifically targeted to appear in Google's search results based on keywords you select. Once you are at the Google Ads homepage, you'll want to sign in using your credentials. This may seem trivial, but signing in ensures you have access to all your campaigns and can make necessary adjustments. When you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home screen. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your advertising campaigns. Here, you want to focus on navigating to your Campaigns tab. This area is where you manage existing campaigns or create new ones, and is crucial for adjusting your settings related to audiences, keywords, and more. Within the campaign section, locate the options labeled audiences, keywords, and content. This section is vital because it allows you to define and fine-tune whom you're targeting and ensuring your ads show up, or in this case, do not show up for particular searches. Once you're there, click on keywords. As the name suggests, this area lets you manage your keywords, both positive and negative. You'll notice this screen gives you an overview of keyword performance, helping you monitor which terms are most effective and which aren't serving your needs. This is where things get interesting. Click on negative keywords. Now this might seem like you're saying no to something, and that's exactly right. You're essentially telling Google Ads to ignore certain terms when displaying your ads. Now it's time to add those negative keywords. Click on Add Negative Keywords. This will allow you to specify which words or phrases should trigger your ads not to appear. For example, if you sell premium dog food, you may want to add words like cheap or budget to your negative keywords list if you want to avoid customers searching for more affordable options. This ensures that your ads won't show up for users who aren't your target market, ultimately helping you save budget and improve efficiency. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on the way to leveraging the full power of negative keywords in your Google Ads campaigns. Remember, frequent review and adjustment of these negative keywords can help keep your advertising efforts sharp and focused on your desired audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps boost your campaign performance to new heights this year.